Hello everyone. We are thrilled to have you join us today. Welcome back to Road to Ownership, your go-to channel for all things real estate. Let's further our knowledge in real estate and empower ourselves with the right information. Today, our focus is on a crucial topic for new homeowners: step by step, applying for down payment assistance. Before we dive in, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Your support is greatly appreciated and helps us bring you more valuable content. Buying a home can be daunting, especially when it comes to the down payment. It's often the biggest hurdle for many, but don't worry, we're here to help. We will guide you through every step of the process. In this video, we'll break down the process of applying for down payment assistance, making it simple and straightforward. By the end, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to make your dream of homeownership a reality. So, let's get started. Navigating the world of real estate can feel overwhelming, but understanding down payment assistance is a great place to start. Down payment assistance programs are designed to help make homeownership more accessible. These programs offer financial aid, often in the form of grants or loans, to cover a portion or even all of your down payment. This can be a game changer for first-time home buyers or those with limited savings. There are various down payment assistance programs available, each with its own eligibility criteria and benefits. One common type is the FHA loan program, insured by the Federal Housing Administration. FHA loans require a lower down payment compared to conventional loans, making them popular among first-time buyers. Another option is VA loans, guaranteed by the Department of Veterans Affairs. VA loans offer favorable terms to eligible veterans, active duty military personnel, and surviving spouses, often with no down payment required. Eligibility requirements for down payment assistance programs vary depending on the program and the state you live in. Generally, factors such as income level, credit score, and purchase price limitations are taken into consideration. Many programs target first-time home buyers, while others may be available to repeat buyers as well. It's important to research the specific requirements of each program to determine your eligibility. Section 5. Step 1. Getting your finances in order. Before you start applying for down payment assistance, it's crucial to get your finances in order. Start by reviewing your credit report and taking steps to improve your credit score if needed. Create a budget to assess your income, expenses, and how much you can comfortably afford for a mortgage payment. Saving for closing costs is also essential, as these expenses are separate from the down payment. So, Section 6. Step 2. Finding the right down payment assistance program. Once you have a good understanding of your financial situation, you can begin researching down payment assistance programs in your area. This step is crucial because it can significantly impact your home buying journey. A great resource is the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development, or HUD website, which provides a comprehensive list of state and local programs. The HUD website is user-friendly and offers detailed information on various assistance programs available to you. You can also contact your state's housing agency or a HUD-approved housing counseling agency for guidance. These professionals can offer personalized advice and help you navigate the complexities of down payment assistance. When comparing programs, consider factors such as the amount of assistance offered, interest rates, repayment terms, and any specific requirements or restrictions. It's important to weigh these factors carefully to find the program that best suits your needs. Additionally, some programs may have eligibility criteria based on income, first-time homebuyer status, or the location of the property. Make sure to review these details thoroughly to ensure you qualify. By taking the time to research and compare, you can make an informed decision that will benefit you in the long run. Section 7. Step 3. Completing your application. Once you've identified a program that aligns with your needs and eligibility, it's time to gather the necessary documentation and complete the application. Typically, you'll need to provide proof of income, employment history, credit history, and details about the property you're interested in purchasing. Be prepared to submit supporting documents such as tax returns, bank statements, and pay stubs. Section 8. Step 4. Securing your dream home. After submitting your application, it will be reviewed by the program administrators. If approved, you'll receive a loan commitment or award letter outlining the terms of the assistance. With your financing in place, you can confidently start shopping for your dream home. Work with a qualified real estate agent who can help you find suitable properties within your budget and guide you through the closing process. Section 9. Your journey to home ownership starts now. Embarking on the path to owning your own home is an exciting and rewarding journey. It marks a significant milestone in your life, filled with anticipation and dreams of a place to call your own. Applying for down payment assistance can significantly reduce the financial burden of purchasing a home, making it a worthwhile endeavor for eligible home buyers. These programs are designed to help you bridge the gap between your savings and the required down payment, easing the financial strain and making home ownership more accessible. Remember to thoroughly research available programs, understand the eligibility criteria, and gather all necessary documentation to ensure a smooth application process. Each program has its own set of rules and requirements, so it's crucial to be well informed and prepared. Consulting with a knowledgeable real estate agent or financial advisor can provide valuable insights and guidance. With careful planning and the right resources, you can turn your dream of home ownership into a reality. From selecting the perfect neighborhood to choosing the right type of home, every step brings you closer to achieving your goal. Don't forget to consider future needs and growth when making your decision. One last thing, if there is a topic you would like us to cover, please add it in the comment section. Your feedback is invaluable and helps us create content that is relevant and useful to you. Whether it's tips on improving your credit score, understanding mortgage options, or navigating the home inspection process, we are here to assist you. Also, take a moment to share and like this video. Thank you. Sharing this video with friends and family can help others on their journey to home ownership as well. Your support allows us to continue providing helpful and informative content. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck on your path to owning your dream home.